In this video, I will show you how to use Midjourney on the website. Now, Midjourney just launched on the web interface, so what this means is that you can actually use Midjourney on the website, on the web interface, instead of in the Discord version. And I personally really like this. So the only thing you need to do is go to midjourney.com and then just press enter. And as you can see, this will redirect you to the web interface of Midjourney. Here you will see explore, create, organize, personalize, chat, tasks, and some other information. But what you need to do to generate an image is to go to explore, and here you'll see the prompt bar. And this is where all the people are basically generating images. What you can do is you can just select an image that you like, for example this one, and you can just tap on prompt over here, and yeah, you can just create an image based on this other image. As you can see, this looks very realistic, to be honest. Then you can go to create over here, and now it will create an image with the same prompt that the other image used. So let's actually see how this looks. As you can see, that looks pretty good. It also looks pretty realistic. As you can see, I definitely think, I can think that this is a real image. So this looks pretty good. If you want to use Midjourney on a Discord version, that is still possible. But yeah, Midjourney also launched on the on the web interface, and when you tap on those filter settings, you can change all of the settings. So the image size by sliding this little slider over here, the aesthetics, more options, the model, etc., etc. You can still use things like AR and then 16:9 or 1:1 or character or style reference, etc., etc. But you can also just play around with this, as you can see. So I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.